What is going on YouTube? My name is Leon. This is LKB Pythons, and I'm coming at you with an upgrade, so to speak. This is my new racking system that I put together. As you guys can remember, I had some smaller racking systems in place. Well, I figured it's time to upgrade with everybody staying home during the coronavirus. Stay safe, everybody. But yeah, this is the new racking system. I put together it's about a week and a half old, I guess. I got the 4-inch heat tape. Got the Herbstat one right there. For some odd reason, I do not know how to cut that light off. However, I did turn it down to its dimmest, but for some odd reason, I cannot cut it off. I went through all the functions and everything. So, for all y'all who have a Herbstat, and let me know the secret. But anyway, the Herbstat's working just fine. Everybody just ate about 20-30 minutes ago. But yeah, very excited about this rack, man. Very, very excited. I do have another rack coming in from Animal Plastics. Hopefully that'll be in soon. I'll put that together and make a video about it. The bottom row there is for storage. I got extra heat tape, thermostats, tubs. The row above it, my daughter's got her schoolwork, and she has planted some tomatoes and peppers, and once they sprout, they will be going outside. So that rack, that shelf would be totally empty. But yeah, man, I just ran the full tape in the S pattern, and let me get these papers out the way for y'all. But yeah, as y'all can see, I just ran the full tape in the S pattern going all the way across. I will be putting some more tape on the other side of the heat tape. But yeah, man. But yep, everybody ate. Got some full bellies going on over here. But yeah, man, I just figured it's time to update. I'm really liking this setup. But yeah, other than that, man, everything's going okay. So yeah, man, like, comment, subscribe, share. Let me know what y'all think. My name is Leon from LKB Pythons. I'll holler at y'all in my next one.